about how can you create community on your Roblox app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, so you just go down here, click on more down here. When you click here on more, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on communities here. When you click on communities, it's going to take you to this list. Just switching to open with you like this here. Click here on create community here. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Just switching to open with you. You add here name your community here, then descriptions. So then you select image here from your device. So then here you click on this to pay this, then it's going to add with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.